Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unleavened breads. Unleavened bread, so called because it is made without rising agents, is made from flour, water and salt or oil. The bread is simple and quick to make, requiring no time for the dough to rise.
Let's help you make your mark.
The alternative to most sugar-producing breads is yeast-free bread. There are many delicious yeast-free breads that are specially manufactured to meet the needs of those following a Candida diet. Because there is no yeast, you avoid the sugar issues.
Let's help you make your mark.
What is bread flour? When originally created, bread flour was designed to be paired with yeast in order to produce the perfect baked good, usually breads. The amount of protein found in bread flour is higher, in order to contain and produce more gluten and achieve the desired rise in bread.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Because the loaf doesn't have much time to rise, it will never achieve a particularly light texture. This no-yeast bread recipe will always result in a hearty, rustic loaf that's best enjoyed fresh from the oven and dripping with lashings of butter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.